Your RAG system is live, but the answers are wrong, completely made up. You've done everything right. The best embeddings, a fast vector database, a powerful LLM. So why is it failing? Let's run the diagnostics. First suspect, your data chunks. They're the foundation. If they're too big, the right answer gets buried in noise. Too small, and crucial context is lost. A chunk cut mid-sentence is like a torn-up map, useless. The fix isn't complicated. Experiment with sizes. Add some overlap between chunks so context bleeds through. Test your retrieval before you blame the AI. Second, poor retrieval. The AI can only work with what you hand it. If you bring it garbage, it will give you garbage. The most common issue? A language mismatch. Your user asks for pricing, but your documents only say subscription plans. The AI fails. The fix? Automatically rewrite user queries with synonyms. Combine meaning-based search with old-school keyword matching. It's a safety net that catches everything. Third, missing context. You retrieve the perfect chunk. It says, yes, we support this feature. But which feature? The chunk is an island, isolated from its meaning. The fix? Give it neighbors. Always include the document title and section headers. Link smaller child chunks to their larger parent paragraphs so the AI can see the bigger picture. Fourth, weak prompts. Your retrieval is perfect, but the LLM still ignores it and hallucinates. This is a command issue. The fix? Be explicit. Your prompt must order the model to only use the provided information. Add the magic words. If the answer isn't in the context, say you don't know. Structure matters. Context first, question second. No ambiguity. The final and biggest mistake? Not measuring your failures. You're flying blind. The fix is simple. Log everything. The user's question, the documents you retrieved, the AI's final answer. Manually review the bad ones. You have to see the problem to solve it. RAG isn't magic, it's a pipeline, a chain where every link matters. Diagnose it systematically, fix it iteratively, and your system will go from a source of frustration to your most reliable asset.